Hi everyone, I am finally back on YouTube and I'm here today to show you one technique that you can use inside of Photoshop to discover what are the main colors in your image. It's going to be very important to determine if there is already a color harmony in your photos, and if there is not, you can at least decide in what direction you want to go based on the colors that are already in the image. So let's jump into Photoshop and I'm going to show you that. So here is one of the ways you can use, especially if you don't have an internet connection and you need to know what's going on in terms of color in your photo. This is by using a hue map. So here I've opened a photo. It's a photo that is already edited. So here I am going to create a new layer. That's an empty layer. And then I'm gonna fill it with 50% gray. So what I'm gonna do is to do Shift F5. Then it's going to open the fill panel. And I'm gonna choose 50% gray. So you might have automatically something like foreground color. Just click on it and choose 50% gray and then click OK. So you can see that now your layer is filled with 50% gray. And then we're gonna choose the blending mode luminosity. And you can see that we only see colors now in our photo. That's not super evident to see. So what we can do is to use a hue and saturation layer and bump up the saturation. Don't go too far, otherwise it will look like that and that's just overwhelming, but just bump up a little bit. And here we can see that the main colors are orange. We have some accent of red, and here on the head and on some other part we have some blue. So here we have kind of a split complementary color scheme. So that's very easy to do. It gives you an idea of what colors you have in your photos. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a new technique today. If it's the case, please push the like button and follow my channel if you want to learn more. If you are interested to learn more in-depth techniques about travel photo retouching, you can register to my course Retouching Bootcamp that will reopen its door in October. See you in the next video.